Thank you. It's an honor to be here. I'm going to say some words about how we view EQT, private equity industry developing going forward. In our world, private equity is on the brink of a new era. Our industry has changed dramatically during the recent years. From sailing under the radar screen with focus on mainly one stakeholder, i.e. our investors, to becoming an important part of society, a powerful force, being an owner, an employer, and also, but not the least, investing the public's pension money.
I'm not sure it's coming. Maybe there's.
Oh, sorry. Yes. It is time that everyone in this industry acknowledges this responsibility. We also have the issue when it comes to industry perception. And frankly, I think we all should reflect a bit on why we have gained such a bad reputation. Let's scrutinize ourselves here. In this context, behavior is crucial. Not only the way we behave as individuals, but also how we operate. How we behave as owners, investors, and members of societies. Only by behaving in a transparent and trustworthy manner to various stakeholders, we will earn trust. And we all do know, good news travel fast, bad news travels with the speed of lightning. And anyone can, and they will, have an opinion when there's a reason to believe that private equity misbehaves. In this connected world, there is nowhere to hide. Private equity is here to provide good returns to the investors, but that's not enough. The way we create returns is equally important. By truly developing companies, making them strong and sustainable for the future, value can be created to all stakeholders in society, not only to our investors. The developing companies part is the key. This is what justifies our role in society. Private equity's raison d'etre is to create strong, more competitive, more innovative companies leading to more jobs. By having an entrepreneurial mindset and applying an industrial approach to private equity, sustainable companies can be built and outstanding returns can be achieved. With a passion for developing companies, we can create a real impact in today's challenging market environment. But you know, and I know, that competition within private equity is fierce. When looking ahead, I strongly believe that the survivors will be the private equity firms with an ability to adjust to the new market environment. I believe that there will be consolidation in the private equity industry. The firms that do not acknowledge the responsibility in society and the importance of doing good will over time disappear. It's adapt or die. And talking about doing good, sustainability and CSR are becoming cornerstones and integrated aspects of private equity investing and corporate governance. Again, private equity firms that fail to live up to this will soon face investors, target companies, and potential board members that prefer to go elsewhere, simply because sustainability makes commercial sense. Diversity, and especially gender equality, is a similar issue which is catching up on private equity. Diverse boards and management teams makes good business. But let's be very honest, private equity really lags here. We have the roots in the financial industry, and we have a long way to go. But the potential is huge. So are we equipped to handle this development, and will private equity continue to grow as an asset class? I strongly believe so. If we are prepared to develop ourselves in the same manner as we develop the companies we invest in, with the same sense of urgency and entrepreneurial passion, we will succeed. To sum up, in order to keep our license to operate, we need to move from being purely investors to being owners that truly develop companies and thereby create value for society as a whole. This model will create sustainable superior returns, involve all stakeholders, and transform private equity from an asset class to a respected ownership model. And we all have this responsibility, not only the GPs, but also you LPs and all the intermediaries which we all engage with, to make this happen. We are the ones that can increase the pace, transformation, forming alliances, being more transparent, demanding, and outspoken about the issue. In addition, I believe private equity firms such as EQT should state goals and ambitions for sustainable development in their organizations, evidently within EQT, but also in all our portfolio companies. In a way, we, the industry, we're better equipped than most other ownership models to drive these topics. Together, you and us, we can improve the reputation of the private equity industry. As a final note, it's my sincere belief that we represent a superior ownership model if we execute it right. Now is the time to involve all stakeholders and further align our interests with them. That, in the end, will create sustainable superior returns and benefit the broader stakeholder base and society overall. Thank you.